Understanding, not make the grade, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, not make the grade. This phrase can be a bit confusing for English learners, so we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to understand its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. The phrase, not make the grade, is used to describe a situation where someone or something fails to reach the standard or level of quality required. It originated from the educational system, where grades are used to evaluate students' performances. However, its use has expanded beyond academic contexts to include performance in work, quality of products, or any other area where standards are set. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in various contexts. Academic setting. Despite his efforts, John did not make the grade and will have to retake the course. Work environment. The project proposal was interesting, but ultimately, it did not make the grade for our company's strategic objectives. Product quality. The prototype was innovative, but it did not make the grade in terms of durability and performance. Understanding synonyms can help you enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few expressions that carry a similar meaning to not make the grade. Fall short, not up to par, miss the mark, fail to meet expectations. Using these synonyms in different contexts will help you sound more like a native speaker and enhance your English communication skills. And that's a wrap on not make the grade. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this common English phrase for you. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with new phrases and expressions at every turn. Don't worry if you don't make the grade on your first try. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.